Hey everybody, welcome back to Extra Rice with KoKo. And I'm back with another one. Yeah, another one. Yeah, another one. I'm back with a mukbang. And this one, I made myself. What up, what up, what up? Here we have some Asian chicken lettuce wraps. I made all of this myself. This is home cooking, y'all. So basically what we have here is, this is ground chicken. I put tons of veggies in it. I have zucchini, bell pepper, onions, garlic, yellow chives, scallions, mushrooms. And it's basically tossed in like a hoisin soy sauce with sesame oil. Bomb.com. I have my whole head of lettuce here so I can choose exactly how I want to eat it. And then I got a little accoutrements here. So I got some cucumbers. I left the zucchini in there. There's some scallions up in here, some cilantro, bean sprouts, and lime. Basically what I like to do is, last minute touch, squirt this lime. It sauces this John up, you know what I'm saying? And it adds a little, And these are all my recipes. Can't nobody recreate this. And today, I got my favorite Crystal Light fruit punch. I went to the gym today, and I'm sweating again. I mean, comment below if it takes you hours, I mean hours, to cool down. I mean, I don't know what it is with me. Like, I'll just sit here and I'll be burning up. Something ain't right. But I need this weight to come off. So I had a good day, y'all. Let me tell you what I did. I went to the gym. I did an hour of swimming. I did 30 minutes of lap swimming with freestyle. And then I did 30 minutes of lap swimming with breaststroke. And then I tried to work on my flip turns as well too. If anybody swims on a swim team or used to swim professionally, flip turns are essential because that helps you move and gain momentum to the next lap. And if it's sloppy, it can just bring you down behind, and I don't like that. Again, I'm sweating like a pig. Let's get to it. So basically what you do is you do that. Yo, it's still hot. Look at this. It smells so good. So good. It's so juicy too. Yo, look at that heat. Put some bean sprouts on top. I like raw bean sprouts because it gives texture. And I like cilantro too. Put a little more lime. Yo, tell me that don't look good. I know this is a lot of lettuce, but I like a lot of lettuce because I don't want it to get too juicy and then it's like all over the place and spilling on me. And then wrap it up like a burrito. Oh yeah, I did that. I did that. Yo, you hear that crunch? I know what you guys thinking too. If you hot, why you in that sweater? Because I wanted to be cute and I wanted to wear this. Boop. Mm-mm-mm. Yo. I did that. One thing my family taught me how to do is be up in that kitchen. That don't look right. Yeah, I love, like, some people don't like to put vegetables in there, like a lot of vegetables in their ground chicken mixture. But yo, tell me this doesn't look good. It's like colorful, there's tons of textures. I mean, the meat looks good. It's freaking moist as anything. Boom, boom. Hey, baby, you want some? What? This is gonna be messy. I can just tell. It's gonna be messy. Mmm. Mmm. This is a perfect low carb meal too. I ain't saying it's keto because I put hoisin sauce in this, and I believe that's not keto because it got sugar up in it. But you could omit that hoisin sauce and just use the soy sauce. I put soy sauce, sesame oil, and I put fish sauce in mine. Most people can't even taste it, so don't say it's nasty. And for people who don't like, especially if you have Vietnamese food, it's up in everything. And if you love Vietnamese food, it's because it got that fish sauce up in it, and that's what makes it tasty and gives it umami. So I put a little bit in there. And then also I take minced ginger and put it in the sauce as well too, and that adds another element of flavor. You see how juicy this is? The juice is going everywhere. I don't use fresh ginger for the sauce because I feel like that's a little too overpowering for the sauce. So that's why I use the minced ginger. It comes in like the same bottle as like the hoisin sauce. Like not a bottle, a glass container, jar thing, whatever. Just get you some Lee Kum Kee. Go to your local Asian market. I mean, I have a local Asian market. It's called 99 Ranch. I believe it's like that's a Taiwanese chain, and they have like everything. I'm telling you, just this one meal, this can feed a whole family. Trust. I mean, not for me because I like to eat, but this is a perfect family time meal because you can mix and match. Kids can kind of put what they want, and you can add more of garnishes and whatnot too. I don't like to complicate it too much because I already put a lot of vegetables in there. Let me have a cucumber. It'll cool me down. I think I can't stop sweating also because I just cooked. Oh well. You guys got to see all this. These cucumbers don't really have flavor. Alright. You know, I got my sweat rag like an old man me from the south. Oh well. Alright. Let me go ahead and get another one. Yo, it's still steaming. Now tell me this don't look good. Tell me this don't look good. Don't be lying. Baby, baby. It's just so juicy. And I feel healthy eating this too. Especially after like working out. I feel like I'm making a healthier decision in my life. Ultimately, if I'm cooking my own food, I feel better anyway to begin with because I know what I'm putting in it. And if you guys watched the demo video, I still season my food. My food is seasoned down, okay? Can't nobody when they taste my food tell me my food is not seasoned down, okay? Because I don't come from the food, school of bland cooking. People who don't put salt and they don't put no spices up on it. No, I don't come from that school. I layer my flavors together. Okay, after I'm done this, let's have a chat. I have to tell you guys something. It's so juicy. Hold up, there's this piece of lettuce with all the juice on it and I gotta take it. Okay, let's talk, children. Who watched the finale of RuPaul's Drag Race season 11? It was perfect timing for me to do this video on this day because it came on last night. I actually was kind of shocked. I didn't peg for Evie Oddly to actually win. For me, to be honest, in my mind, I wanted Silky to win. People don't like Silky. I don't care. I don't care what you think of her. Silky is charismatic, dynamic. She has personality, and you can't teach people that. That's innate. That's blessed from God. So as much as you want to hate on her, because she got a slick mouth. Oh, well, she got a slick mouth, and it's gotten her to where she is now. It is what it is. I like her. I thought it was going to actually... I wanted Silky to be in the top 2, but in my head, I knew it was going to be like Brooklyn or Kyria. I thought it was going to be Kyria, to be honest. Evie is great, and she has her own lane and her own unique dynamic style of drag as well, too. But I thought maybe they wouldn't want to see that because there's kind of been a lot of the kookier, eccentric ones that have been winning. And there hasn't been like a true, like, beauty queen. Not to say that that's all that has to win. It's just aesthetically nice to look at. If you're going to give me illusion, honey, I want illusion. I want female illusion. But congratulations to Evie Oddly. She did such a good job. And when they showed her parents on there and how they support her, yo, that was touching and heartwarming, because for parents to fully support their openly gay children like that, it's beautiful. It takes a lot out of people to, you know, come outside yourself and to figure out like how, you know, to navigate through somebody else's journey. I mean, that speaks volumes about a person and lets me know how caring they are and how selfless it really is. It's a selfless act because, I mean, you are not thinking about yourself. You're thinking about your child and what they're going through and just the support. It's amazing. I mean, to each his own. Everybody has to go through a journey. I mean, I can't say that I grew up in a family that was negative and wasn't supportive at all. They were supportive, but it was supportive in a different light. You know what I'm saying? And I wouldn't have it any other way. I have been dealt the cards that I've been dealt. And I work with what I've been dealt. And I try to do the best that I can for myself. So, I'm really not worried about other people. Again, I'll say it now, I'll say it 20,000 times again. I stay in my own lane. I'm doing me. I'm not worried about what somebody up on 3rd Street's doing. I'm here. I'm living. That's it. Y'all need to know where I live anyway. But you know what I'm saying? They might be on 3rd Street. I might be on 6th. I ain't worried about what 3rd Street doing. Stay up on your street. Worry about your neighbors. Worry about you. Don't worry about me. But it really truly is amazing what RuPaul has done for mainstream media and how she's brought the art of drag to the forefront. Say what you want about her. Like, there's so many people that speak negatively about her, but I'm sorry. She has done an immense thing for the gay community, and she has brought awareness to families that wouldn't otherwise know how to deal with their children. I mean, they probably think their children are freaks, but because seeing something like RuPaul's Drag Race and how open and welcoming it is, they might understand their child a little better, you know? I mean, there's shows like, honestly, like Pose with Ryan Murphy, and I think he's a genius as well too. What he's done to bring trans actresses to the forefront, and also just bring that rawness that was New York in the late 80s and 90s. It's amazing. It's really beautiful, and it's touching. That whole first season of Pose, I mean, I was like, waterworks, because it really struck a chord to me. It's amazing that there are so many gay actresses and gay actors and trans actresses and trans actors and models as well too, paving the way for other people. I mean, other people might not feel like they're role models, but you are. And you can't take that lightly, because it's the youth and the generation afterwards that has to pay homage and respect what's gone. This is why I tell people to learn their history. You need to know what happened at Stonewall. You need to know about your history, because how you expect to move forward. All right. I'm probably gonna have one more, and we'll keep this a light video. This was so good though. Tell me if you guys like this. If you like kind of the having the recipes and whatnot, and then seeing it. I mean, really, to be honest with you, the most laborious part about this, it was not the cooking, because I got this done in like 15 flat. Didn't take long to cook at all. I mean, what took a long time was basically prepping all the vegetables, cutting everything, you know, making sure that everything looked right and was set up. That's it. Oh. This is gonna be messy. This is a 2-biter. You gotta spread your wings on it. Well, guys, thank you so much. It's been real. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Extra Rice with Koko. You'll see me on Instagram at Extra Rice with Koko. My Facebook page, Extra Rice with Koko. And here on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. Peace.